if I go to a blacksmith or somebody with a cutting machine, I say, sir, can you please cut this down to 10 pieces? And the person cuts it down for me to 10 pieces. What will I have is 10 parts of one. Yeah? I will have 10 parts of one. Where is this? Okay. I will have 10 parts of one. Of course, I'll not make 10 parts and you know. But if I ask him to make me 10 parts of this, I'll have 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total is 1 meter, and one part only is 1 of 10. Yes?
Yes, sir.
1 من 10. يعني إذا أسوي هاي 10 قطع وآخذ قطعة واحدة منها راح تصير ايش قد؟ 1 من 10. صح لو لا؟
Yes, that's right.
نعم.
Well, 1 for 10.
Yes. 1/10. Now, if I give the same size metal to the same person and I say, please, sir, can you make this 100 pieces for me? And he cuts it down smaller pieces, yeah? He cuts it down to give me 100 pieces. If I take 1 piece of the 100, this will be 1 of 100 or 1%. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which is bigger? 1 from 100 or 1 from a 10? Which one is bigger?
One by 10.
Absolutely
1 by
100%.
10.
1 from 10 is bigger than 1 from 100. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely is bigger from 1 of 100.
Okay. Now, if I give another piece of metal to the same person, I say, sir, can you please cut this down to me? Cut it to 1 million pieces. 1 million pieces. Cut it down for me, please. And let's say he has that device and he cuts it to 1 million piece. Okay. And if I take one piece only from here, okay, let's say this one I take it, this one I take it from here. This is 1 part of a million. Okay? All of it together, it will be a million, yes? And if I take only 1 part, this will be 1 part of a million. Are you with me until now? You following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
do.
Now, this is
Yes, keep on.
1 from a million. And this is 1 from a 10. Okay? This is 1 from a 10. This is 1 from a million. And let's say this is 1 from 100. Okay? Which one is bigger? 1 from 100 or 1 from a 10?
1 from a
1
10.
from a 10.
1 from a 10.
Okay. Which one is bigger? 1 from a million or 1 from 100?
1 from 100.
1 from 100.
Yes. And the finest one or the smallest one now for this measure here is the 1 from a million. Yes? Or 1 part per million. Yes?
Yes, Mr.
Yes. So when the important people, the experts, the big doctors, the scientists wanted to measure the health effects of H2S on people, they started measuring 1 from 10, and they so this is too much. People are dying before we reach 110. Yeah, so we need a smaller scale. So they said, okay, let's use 1 from 100. So they used 1 piece from 100, and they tried the effects on people, blah blah blah, and they found that people are dying before they reach 1%. So they needed another measurement unit. So they went to 1 from 1,000, 1 from 10,000, 1 from 100,000, until they reached 1 from a million. And they saw that up until 10 ppm, or 10 parts from a million, 10 parts per million, they saw that there was no effect on people. And they said, okay, this is good. We will use this measuring unit, and we will call it part per million, or PPM. That's what it's meant by PPM. Okay?